Welcome, entrepreneurs and innovators. Today, we're focusing on a critical element of your pitch deck, crafting a compelling value proposition. Your value proposition is the heart of your story, the key that unlocks investor interest. Let's start by identifying your unique selling point, or USP. What is it about your product or service that truly sets it apart from the competition? This isn't just about being different, it's about being meaningfully unique. Now, focus on benefits, not features. Investors are more interested in how your product benefits users, not just its features. Shift the focus from what your product does to how it improves lives or solves problems. Remember, benefits sell, features tell. Understanding your audience is crucial. Tailor your value proposition to resonate with their needs and pain points. This isn't about what you want to say, it's about what they need to hear. Simplicity is key. Convey your value proposition in a clear, concise manner. Avoid jargon and complex language. The simpler it is, the more powerful it becomes. Don't forget the emotional connection. How does your product or service make customers feel? Happy, secure, empowered? This emotional aspect can be a significant differentiator. Test and refine your value proposition. Gather feedback and see how it resonates with your target audience. This iterative process can sharpen and enhance its impact. Finally, integrate your value proposition throughout your pitch deck. It should be the thread that runs through the entire narrative, reinforcing your key message at every turn. Remember, your value proposition is more than a statement. It's a promise to your customers. It's what makes them care about what you offer. Make it powerful, make it clear, and most importantly, make it resonate with your audience.